Truffles are one of the world's most prized ingredients. They're also one of the most intimidating. Now, you might know how good these little bad boys smell, but what do you do with them when you get home? Well, that's exactly what the cooking experiences at Truffle Kerfuffle are all about. Today, I'm taking you into my restaurant, Fallow in Northbridge, where I'm going to show you just how simple fresh WA truffles can be. With one of my favourite comfort dishes, a truffle sausage that is packed with flavour. A good sausage needs great ingredients. We only use Black Label Berkshire pork here. It's a fantastic product. We're going to use a mixture of belly and shoulder meat, and we're going to mince it up. Our pork here at Fallow is dry aged for 14 days. And we're just going to put it through this mincer. So that's our minced pork done and ready to start adding the flavour to this. Now we're going to add some water. We've got iced water here. Add some freshly chopped parsley. Now we're going to add our secret spice blend, just a mixture of dried onion, dried garlic, etc. And now we're going to add our truffles. Truffles are an ingredient that should be celebrated. They have such a short season. Be as generous as you like with them. I'm being really generous because I think pork and truffle are fantastic. The secret here now is to mix this up really, really well. We're almost going to beat it. All right, make sure that that truffle is dispersed really evenly. This is, as you can see now, just delicious. Now our mix is really well combined. It's time to stuff our hopper. Put it in here. Now we pop him back in. This is going to basically force everything out of here. I'm going to tie this skin off on the end. Now that our tube is completely full, take that off. I'm just going to tie off a little bit of this intestine. We use the intestines because it's the traditional way to do it, you know, as opposed to something which is manufactured. You don't want to overfill it, it will burst, and you don't want to underfill it because it'll go grainy. Now, I'm so glad that Truffle Kerfuffle is back this year because it is such a great event, a true celebration of West Australian produce. If you're looking for a weekend getaway, I strongly suggest you head down to Manjimup and experience everything the region has to offer and the fantastic truffles. So now my skin is stuffed. We just need to tie it off and cook it in the wood fire and we'll be good to go. If you've ever wanted to cook with fresh truffle but weren't quite sure where to start, the cooking classes at Truffle Kerfuffle are the perfect place to build that confidence. You'll learn from some incredible chefs and taste some amazing local produce. And that's the beauty of fresh truffles. It doesn't need to be complicated or reserved for the fine dining. With just a few quality ingredients, a fresh truffle can transform the simplest of dish into something truly spectacular.